So you can change your home lab. So in home lab you can see these are my uh, videos, shorts, which will be shown to a person who is watching my YouTube. So these are the things he will watch: videos, short videos, channel playlist. So you can edit and delete from it here. So this is a good thing, you can edit in your YouTube studio. So this is a good, and you can see you can add multiple things like this. What is a single playlist? Okay, there is a lots of stuff here. You can also add your channels here if you have many channels. You can see I don't have many channels, so collaborative. Okay, that's all. I don't have anything else in here. So you can see option here for delete. I think that's enough for this video. I don't have anything to say in customization.